Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Laiba Tariq, your biology instructor from tutoria.pk. Today we are doing the exercise of your chapter 2, that is the biological molecules. Let's start with the MCQs. So the first MCQ is, an amino acid molecule has the following structure. Which of the group combine to form a peptide link between the two amino acids? Option A 1 and 2, option B 1 and 3, option C 2 and 3 and option D 2 and 4. The right option है option B 1 and 3. Which class of the molecule is the major component of the cell membrane? Option A phospholipid, option B cellulose, option C wax, option D triglycerides. The right option है option A phospholipids. Question 3 है glycerol is the backbone molecule for option A ATP, option B terpenes, option C neutral lipids, option D steroid. The right option है option C neutral lipids. Question 4 है a fatty acid is unsaturated if it option A contain hydrogen, option B contain double bond, option C contain an acid group, option D all of them. The right option है option B contain double bond. Question 5 है in RNA the nitrogen base that takes the place of thymine is option A adenine, option B cytosine, option C guanine, option D uracil. The right option है option D uracil. Question 6 है the ending "-ose" means a substance is option A sugar, option B lipid, option C protein, option D nucleic acid. The right option है option A sugar. Question 7 है glycolipids and lipoproteins are important component of option A cellular membrane, option B cell wall, option C both of them, option D none of them. The right option है option A cellular membrane. Question 8 है when two amino acids are linked to form peptide linkage is removed. Option A hydroxyl, option B water, option C carbon, option D nitrogen. The right option है option B water. Question 9 है what is the theoretical number of chemically different dipeptide that may be assembled from two different amino acids? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The right option है option C 3. Question 10 है a polar molecule is in water. Option A soluble, option B insoluble, option C reactive, option D inert. The right option है option A soluble. Question 11 है which statement correctly describe a property of water? Option A a relatively large amount of heat is needed to increase its temperature. Option B at normal room temperature its molecules are bounded by its ionic bond. Option C the highest density of water below its freezing point. Option D water acts as solvent for non-polar molecules. The right option है option A a relatively large amount of heat is needed to increase its temperature. Question 12 है estrogen, vitamin D and cholesterol are all examples of option A glycolipids, option B lipoproteins, option C terpenes, option D steroid. The right option है option D steroids. Question 13 है which term include all other? Option A carbohydrate, option B starch, option C monosaccharide, option D polysaccharide. तो right option है option D polysaccharide. Question 14 है choose the pair of terms that correctly complete this sentence. Nucleotides are to dash as dash are to proteins. Nucleic acid amino acid polypeptide, glycosidic linkage polypeptide linkage, polymer या polypeptide. The right option है option A nucleic acid and amino acid. Question 15 है the enantiomer of D-glucose is option A D-galactose, option B L-galactose, option C both of them, option D none of them. तो right option है option D none of them. इसके साथ ही हमारे MCQs complete हुए. In the next video we will discuss the short